Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about method overriding in Python. So what is a method overriding? You can see here method overriding happens when a child class provides its own implementation of a method that is already defined in a parent class. So what is the method overriding? Method overriding happens when child class provides its own implementation of a method that is already defined in its parent class. The method name must be same in parent class and child class. The method signature or a parameter is usually the same. It supports runtime polymorphism. Already you learn polymorphism. In that we have seen we use two same method. That's called as a polymorphism also. Runtime polymorphism. So that's called as a method overriding. So why method overriding? So you can see to exchange or extend the behavior of a parent class method. So what is the extend behavior means we can add some more details inside the method. That's called or that's use cases method overriding. To achieve a polymorphism, you can see if you want to achieve a polymorphism, then this is a method overriding we have to use. This is called as the same name many form. That's called method overriding. To make code flexible and reusable. So basic syntax you can see here. Here class is a parent and inside that method is a show method, right? And this is printing just this is the parent class method, and in child class you can see here class is a child, right? And we are inherited the child class, we have inherited the parent class in the child class, right? And in that also you can see the show method in parent class and child class as well. But you can see this is a different behavior. This is a child class method. So here show in child's overrides the show from a parent. So let's see this example in our VS Code. Just open a VS Code. This is my VS Code. I have created this method overriding folder. Now just create a file main.py. You can give any name, and first you have to create class for method overriding. So what is the class? Class is a parent class. In that just method name is a def show, right? And self keyword is compulsory because this is referencing the current object of a class. And just print this is a parent show method, right? You can see here this is a parent class or parent show method. Just parent class method. So this is the parent class. Now you have to write one more class, that is a child class. Class child. And in that you have to inherit the parent class. So by using inheritance we can acquire the properties of a parent class. Now this is a show method we can implement in child class as well. So implement def show suppose cell and print this is a child class method, right? So you can see here we have a created child class and parent class, but the method is the same show, and we have used this inheritance technique to acquire the parent class property. Now how to call this method? Just first you have to create the child class object. Suppose child class, we have created child class object. Now just call this method c dot show, and you can see the output. Just run this program. You can see this is a child class method. So we have implemented this declared method in child class as well. So same name, method name is same, and this is a different behavior. Why this is a different? Because this is child class and method name is the same. So we can use the inheritance to achieve the polymorphism, and this is called as a method overriding as well. So example with output, you can see another example. So you can see class animal, def sound, same method, just like a parent or child. You can see animal is a class and sound is a method. So print animal makes a sound. Every animal makes a sound. And in that, just suppose we want a dog class. So create a dog class and call this animal method. Inherit. Inherit this method and def sound. Same sound method we are using in a dog. Because every animal has a different sound. So we can use the same method in a child class, and here you can see print dog barks, right? Dog barks and animal makes sound, so we can directly implement this parent class method. Here you can see obj equals to dog and obj dot sound. So by using this way, just we are calling this parent class method. So let's create this example as well. Just create one more file, that is suppose main 2.py. Just create this file as well. Create a class animal, right? This is the parent class, and inside that def sound is a method, right? And self keyword is a compulsory for a class method. This is called as a instance method as well. Now print animal make a sound, right? Because every animal makes sound. And now create the child class dog. This may be dog, cat, or any other animal, because every animal has a sound, and just inherit the parent class, that is the animal, right? And same method we can implement here. Def sound cell and just print. What is the dog sound? Dog sound is a bark, right? Dog sound is bark, and just create the object of a dog class, just like d equals to dog and just call the method d dot sound, right, and check the output. Run this file. You can see dog sound is a bark. So here you can see same method, different class, same method. So we can use the parent class method by using a inheritance, and just this will be the different behavior. So we are achieving method overriding here. So let's see another example. So even though a sound exists in animal, Python calls the child class version. Here you can see the key rules for method overriding. Suppose inheritance is required, right? Because we are inheriting. Method name must be same. When this happens at runtime, Python does not require keywords like override, unlike Java. In Java, they use override decorators. But Python don't need. So you can see using a super in a method overriding. What will happen by using a super keyword? This is a super keyword. Just I will show you. If you want to call the parent class method inside the overridden method, here you can see class is animal, deep sound. This is a animal class method, and animal makes sound, and dog. Suppose now just we are calling and printing just dog barks. But if you want to same method, animal method as well, parent class method, then you have to use this super dot show. So what will be the output? You can see animal makes a sound and dog barks. Here we have created only the dog object. You can see this is a dog object. We are calling it dog only. So here you have to write simply d dot super dot super dot. Here you can see sound method automatically comes. Just this line only. If you add this line, you will call this parent class method as well. Now you can see in output just only dog method we are calling. But you can see now run this program and check. You can see in terminal animal makes a sound and dog sound is a bark. So by using this super keyword, we can print the sound method as well. We can call the parent method as well by using just super dot sound. After that, you can write your child implementation as well. So you know the difference. What is this? What is the parent class code and child class code? So that's way you can use the super keyword and just know the parent class method. So here you can see the sum of the difference method overriding versus method overloading. So you can see class involved feature in method overriding, parent and child class both important, but method overloading we can achieve only the same class and method name same in both method overriding and method overloading. Method name should be same and parameters usually the same, but method overloading in parameter different. Binding, this is runtime. Method overriding means runtime polymorphism, or this is we can check this is a runtime, but method overloading this is a compile time, not a native in a Python. This is not traditional method overloading available in a Python. So real world analogy you can see here. Suppose parent says I work, but child says I work as a software engineer, right? our parent is working, but our work is different. So work is a, you can see, work is a method or function, but this is a different behavior. That's called as a method overriding, right? So that is called as a method overriding in Python. So that's all about method overriding. You can use a super keyword and call the parent class method as well. So that's all about method overriding. Thank you for watching this video.